This is so serious. This situation that I'm currently in. The situation and habituation and the circumstance. This is so serious. Why do I have to go through this situation? Oh, hey, darling. I have a remedy for this. As the spirit was talking to me today, when I was on a walk, and a message came through so strongly regarding this situation. It was a hot summer day, but it had been raining, and there was this pond. No, not a pond. There was a puddle in the backyard of a house. And that puddle was a meter wide and perhaps this deep. And I witnessed something. I witnessed someone doing something. There was this child whose stomach was on the ground, and that child was in that puddle. She had jumped into that puddle and her arms were up in the air and she was like, Father! She was so happy and she was so lit up, and it seemed like that child pretended like that puddle was a swimming pool, and she was so happy being in that puddle, swimming in that puddle, and witnessing that at a distance. That got me so lit up. And that got me thinking, darling, that do you happen to have a child? Or a grandchild, perhaps? Or any child, in your circle, if you don't have your own, that I could borrow, lend for a moment, so that I would have an excuse to go and find a pond. No, okay, it could be a pond, but I meant a puddle where we could go, put our stomachs on the ground and start being like, Father! Being so lit up, swimming in a pond. So if you darling, if you have a child that I could borrow, please, darling, and thank you, drop a comment and we can agree on the details. And if you are in a situation that you don't have a child in your reality field, would you be a crazy enough adult to come with me and find a puddle where we could, jump in? We could jump into that puddle and start swimming. Are you crazy enough to do that with me? If yes, drop a comment. Yeah. this was a clear, serious message from the Spirit for this serious situation that we are going through. To be playful. To find joy in the little moments in life. You know, like if you see a bottle, why just jump in? You know? Have a playful moment with someone who's crazy enough to do that with you. Or are you crazy enough to do that by yourself? Okay, then you're pretty crazy. But okay, if you do that, I'm inspired. I'm very inspired, and I might actually do that as well. If you do it alone. Whoa. Even without a child or a crazy another person. Whoa, then you're next level. Next level soul. Next level playful soul. Oh, wow, I admire you. Great. Okay, so the Spirit was saying, bring some playfulness. How could you bring some playfulness into your daily life? So that the situations don't feel so serious anymore. As you're having fun during your day, you're having these playful moments. Oh, ooh. I'll leave you turning into how could you be playful and bring some playfulness consciously into your daily life. And I'll stay waiting for the information, whether you have a child to borrow, lend, and whether you are crazy enough that you could do it with me. Okay. Hey, if you would love to be playful in life, you know, having fun while you create and live your soul's a dream life, radically soul-aligned dream life. And if you'd love to, you know, be playful and have fun with me, besides jumping into that puddle or a pond or anything, then I invite you to check out the description of this video.